Hello and welcome back. In this video, let's solve more example based on fuzzy sets. Let X be the universe of discourse. Consider the following two fuzzy sets A and B and perform union, complement and difference operations. In this example, we have to perform three operations: union, complement and difference. Given is X set contains three elements x1, x2, x3. Fuzzy set A is given, fuzzy set B. Let's calculate first one, union A union B. Consider set A and set B. Compare each element and select max element. 0.2, 0.4, select max, that is 0.4. Write it as 0.4 upon x1. Second, 0.8, 0.6, max is 0.8. Third one, 0.7 and 0.9. Write it as 0.9 upon x3. So this is union set, that is A union B. Now let's perform second operation, that is complement. For complement is written as fuzzy set A and a bar sign above equals to mu A of x equals to 1 minus mu A of x. So to find complement of set A, consider set A. So to find complement, we need only set A. Now to find elements, perform 1 minus each element in fuzzy set A. Let's start. 1 minus first element in set A. 1 minus 0.2 is 0.8. So the first element is 0.8, that is 1 minus 0.2, we get 0.8. For the second element, 1 minus 0.8, that will give 0.2. For the third element, 1 minus 0.7, that is 0.3. Write it as 0.3 upon x3. So A complement set contains three elements: 0.8 upon x1, 0.2 upon x2 and 0.3 upon x3. Now let's find B complement. Now to find B complement, consider set B. B complement can be written as mu B of x equals to 1 minus mu B of x. So similar way we have to calculate as we did for A complement, minus 1 from each element of set B. Let's start. 1 minus 0.4, result will be 0.6 upon x1. For second one, 1 minus 0.6, 1 minus 0.6 will give 0.4 upon x2. For the third element, 1 minus 0.9, that will give 0.1 upon x3. So this is B complement set. Now let's calculate third operation, difference. Difference can also be written in fuzzy set as fuzzy set A difference fuzzy set B equals to, we have to calculate A intersection B complement. So here consider two set, fuzzy set A and consider fuzzy set B complement. Take intersection of both the set, that is we have to select minimum, compare and select minimum element. Let's start. For the first element, compare first element from both the set, 0.2 and 0.6. Minimum is 0.2, write it as 0.2 upon x1. For the second element, 0.8 and 0.4, compare and select minimum, that is 0.4. For the third element, compare third element from both the set, 0.7 and 0.1 and select minimum, that is 0.1. Write it as 0.1 upon x3. So this is the set of A difference B. So in fuzzy system, you can write difference in two forms. First is fuzzy set A difference fuzzy set B. You can also write it as fuzzy set A difference fuzzy set B. So this two means one and the same, that is difference. Now after calculating A difference B, let's calculate B difference A. Apply fuzzy set B intersection fuzzy set A complement. Consider set B and set A complement. Compare elements and select minimum element. Let's start. For the first element, compare 0.4 and 0.8. minimum is 0.4. For the second element, 0.6 and 0.2, minimum is 0.2. For the third element, 0.9 and 0.3, minimum is 0.3. Write it as 0.3 upon x3. So this is B difference A fuzzy set. In this tutorial, we learn how to calculate union, complement and difference operations. Subscribe for more updates. Like, share with your friends. Thank you for watching.